If you want to play YouTube videos in the background on the Redmi 15C,
Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung phone.
so in this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Chrome web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you open the web version of the YouTube app on your Chrome web browser, now the next step is to open the video which you want to play in the background. Now for example, I will open this video.
Hey guys, what's up? So firstly guys,
After you select your video, then tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on your Google Chrome. And from here, just tap on desktop site. Now after you open the desktop version of the YouTube app in your Chrome web browser, now finally just play this video
hey guys, what's up?
and go to your home screen. And after you do that, then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find this play button. Now if you play this video,
Just tap on Google and comes to Google service. So just scroll down again and basically guys, we have an option of ads. Okay, so as you guys see, we have a
and this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.